Hello everyone, welcome back again with another video. Today I'm going to teach you about the trading platform, Blofin cryptocurrency trading platform, where you can simply trade and you can earn money over here, or you can simply invest over from here. Okay, so I provided the referral link and referral code in the description box. Please check it out. So if you follow the referral link and referral code, then you will get some free rewards here in Blofin platform. So join today and win welcome bonus up to 5,000 US dollar. So simply you need to do sign up over here. So please, first of all, you need to follow the steps like email, password, or you can simply do from the mobile number also. So first of all, you need to provide email and then phone number. Then after agree the terms and condition, then you will be able to sign up here. After sign up, you can simply see this kinds of interface here in Blofin platform, where you can simply see all the markets, like all the top gainers, losers, everything else you will be see over here. So please see very carefully before delve into it. Simply you can see all this interface in the home page, like welcome bonus, sign up to earn, like deposit to earn, and trade to earn. So for each section they are giving you the bonus over there. So simply see these kinds of interface over here. So simply for the market, like top, hot, gainers, losers, everything you can see over here. And for the there are various cryptocurrencies over there. Simply you need to buy the cryptocurrencies. So first of all, you need to tap on buy crypto. Then after, how much amount you wanna just buy first, simply you can buy over here. Like you'll pay, like for example, $10 and you'll receive $10. So if I enter some amount of money like 10, 20, anything else, so like we can simply buy from here. So simply here you can see the market overview over there. So for instance, here are like a different markets of cryptocurrencies like BTC, USDT, ETH USDT, and Front USDT. So there are various types of cryptocurrencies over there. So whichever you like, whichever you prefer, then you can simply go it and see the overview. Like I'm going to just see the details of BTC USDT. Okay, so I'm going to see for the Bitcoin. So here you can simply see where the red signal indicates the sale, and for the green signal it's for the like buy. So according to the chart and according to the graph over here, and according to your knowledge and how you study about the cryptocurrencies, it depends whether you buy or sell. If you think that the cryptocurrency price is down, or anything cryptocurrencies price is down, and you think so you can buy, then you can simply buy for it. And if you think that you are in a profit, then you can simply sell it also. So I have talk about the like market, and now talk about futures. Okay, so let's delve into it. So here you can simply see for the future trading, it depends, you have to hold for a long period of time. So green signal for buy and buy long, and the red signal for sell short. So if you wanna buy, then you can, if you hold for a long time or long term, then you'll have some benefits or profit from here. So if you hold the cryptocurrencies, then you'll have some profit. Then after, you can simply sell that. So simply see the chart and follow all the steps over there. So you can simply see for the copy trading also. So for the copy trading here in the Blofin platform, copy trading is also another option for you. So become a trader and so become a copy trader. Here are the all master traders over here. So simply they do the trading, and simply if you copy their trading, and if you copy it, then you'll get some benefit, some profit from here also. So you don't have to invest a very large amount of money. So simply if you like invest like $10, $20, so you can have a good amount of profit over here. So simply you can copy and trade from here. So it's just a very easy and the simple thing. So simply see the chart and tap on copy. Then after like for example, I have entered 10, and after that you need to submit over here. Then you'll be able to successfully copy the trading. And here are lots of like traders over here in the market. So whichever you prefer and whichever thing you like the best, then you can simply go it. So you can simply see for the earn also. So for the earn, like here if you subscribe, then you will get some amount of profit. Like it's just like a copy trading. Like if you subscribe, then you'll be able to get some percentage amount of profit from here. If USDT and other Bitcoin cryptocurrencies are in a profit, and if you had subscribed, then you'll get the some extra amount of profit from here. So here are the news section also, which you can simply read all these things. So if you know anything else about crypto, and if you think that then you can simply see over here. So this page does not exist. I think there is a server error for welcome bonus. When I've just tapped to welcome bonus, then it's a server error. So let it be. After later on it will be I think it will open, but for now I cannot open this, so please try again later. So here are like activity center. So here are the activity center where you can simply see about the events. Here is the ongoing event, expired and upcoming event. You can simply participate in this event and get more rewards or get more profit if you invest as it is. So if you think so, then this is the best for you. And here affiliate program, if you want to join the affiliate program, so simply you can visit become a Blofin affiliate program, and then you can see earn up to 50% of commission. So if you think that Blofin is there for you, then you can simply visit this page, and you can simply like fill the form. Then after you can be able to submit. So here after all referral. So if you like if you provide this referral code and referral link to other people, then you will get like a referral commission also, and they will also get the referral bonus also. So if you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell over there. We'll be uploading more videos like this. Till then, bye bye and take care. Don't forget to use our referral link, which is in the description box. Bye bye and take care.